channel. Today I'm going to be making some beef bulgogi. So here my husband is chopping up some beef that we got from our local butcher. He's just chopping it up in thin slices for me, which is key for beef bulgogi. You want thin sliced meat. You can use whatever cut of beef that you want, but this is the cut that we had to work with, so that's what we're using, and he's going to tenderize it there. And now I'm going to make the marinade. The marinade is the most important part. That's what makes it the bulgogi. So here I have about 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use low sodium soy sauce if you like, or just regular soy sauce. It depends on, your sodium content and what you want to do with that. But that's pretty much the base. You have to start off with some soy sauce. Here we have sesame oil. It gives it a nice flavor. That sesame seed flavor just kind of goes in with the beef bulgogi. This is not a cooking oil, so you wouldn't cook with that because the taste of the sesame seed would kind of dissipate as it cooks. It's more of a, after you're done with everything, you top it. But for the marinade purposes, this works fine. Then I added water to the mixture just to kind of thin out that soy sauce, to take some of that saltiness out of the soy sauce. And now I'm going to add rice vinegar. Y'all don't come at me in the comments. I know this is a Korean dish and I'm using Japanese rice vinegar, but that's what we had, so y'all let me make it on that one. And now I'm adding honey. Again, Australian honey. I am not in South Korea, so don't come at me in the comments about it being Australian honey, okay? Like I said, I'm working with what I got. So we're going to add a little honey to the mixture as well. And then we're going to add, this is garlic and ginger. You can add a little bit more. This is just kind of a test to see how much I liked it. So I added a little bit, but you can add more if you like. Those are pears. I couldn't find Asian pears, but I did find just a regular pear. And it worked really well with this. Asian pears are a little more sweeter. So it would have come out a little different if I had the Asian pears. Now I'm adding black pepper to the mixture and sesame seeds to this mixture as well. And then I'm going to give this a nice stir, like so. And just get everything mixed in, meld together, get all those flavors mixed in to make this marinade for my beef. So you want to give that a really, really good mix there. And that is what the marinade looks like. Again, it's rice vinegar, pepper, pears, soy sauce, and sesame seed oil. Now I'm pouring the mixture over my beef, over the sliced beef that my husband prepared for me. So I'm just going to mix all of that together. And that's going to be my marinade. I'm actually going to add the vegetables here too. So I have onion and green onions with this. Just regular onions and green onions. Chopped up really fine. And kind of big chunks of the onion, because you just want that all to like marinate. Here I have some sliced carrots that I'm adding also. And all of this just kind of sits together and goes together there. And I'm going to mix all of this up. So I have everything mixed in with the marinade and the vegetables, and that's what it's going to look like. You want to let this sit for at least 2 hours to 24 hours. The longer you let it marinate, the better it will be. Here I'm actually doing a cooking process. I decided to do it in a pan because we really wanted to eat this. It was something we really wanted to eat. So I didn't feel like making a fire and all that to grill it, but that's a good way to do it. You can put the pieces on the grill and let them get that char, and then mix everything up like so. But you want it to caramelize if you're cooking in the pan. That's pretty much the key to making beef bulgogi, is the ingredient, the marinade, and letting everything caramelize. So this is the finished product. I made some homemade egg rolls there. I made a soy sauce dipping sauce for those egg rolls and for the rice. There's bulgogi and beans, and I actually made some cucumber kimchi. I'm actually going to put that video out soon, so you guys be watching for that. Let me know in the comments what you think. And until next time, you know what we'll be doing. Be in country in another country. Peace.